لا يعتبر الرجوع إلى الكفاية بالمعنى المتقدم بالاستطاعة البذلية. Badliya means somebody gave you the amount, somebody provided you for the Hajj, somebody dedicated for you. So therefore, situation is like this. I go for Hajj or I don't go for Hajj. My family has the sustenance, or it will not affect my family. My going will Hajj will keep them starving. Remember the thing, the guy wants to give money for Hajj and the family doesn't have anything. So he said, give my family, but I can't because the whole thing is this, how this money is dedicated for Hajj. So therefore, for any reasons, either the family has sustenance, so he's going Hajj or not going Hajj is not going to affect them. It is obligatory upon him to accept the Hajj. Or no, they don't have anything, regardless of he goes for Hajj or he doesn't go. He has to go for Hajj because it's not going to make any difference. Where is the difference? Where if he's earning on the days of Hajj. And if he goes to the Hajj with his gifted Hajj, he will not be able to earn. And that is going to affect the progeny. So in that scenario, no, he doesn't have to accept the Hajj. لا يعتبر الرجوع إلى الكفاية بالمعنى المتقدم بالاستطاعة البذلية. So when I come back, do I have to have like sufficient amount to take care of the family after I come back from Hajj? We mentioned, if you already have sustenance, then you don't have to. If you don't have anything and you go for Hajj, you come back, it's going to be the same situation, jobless, no money, no nothing. So then just go for Hajj. However, he says, Na'am, however, إذا كان كسوبا في خصوص أيام الحج ويعيش بربحه سائر أيام السنة. So here, his job was only in the day of Hajj. Okay? The whole year is jobless. Only in the season of Hajj he works. His job starts in the season of Hajj. يعيش بربحه سائر أيام السنة. And whatever he earns in the season of Hajj, he lives upon it the entire year. Okay, what does it mean? And if he goes with the gifted Hajj, he will not work. And if he will not work, his kid will starve. And he will starve, nothing left. أو بعضها, or part of the year. Okay, بحيث يعجز عن إدارة معاشه فيه لو خرج إلى الحج بالاستطاعة البذلية. So if he goes with this provided Hajj, gifted Hajj, wasiyat Hajj, another, whatever was provided, be it whatever reasons we mentioned, if he goes with the provided Hajj, then he will not be able to work. It will make him incapable to earn the livelihood of his entire year or part of his year. If he goes for Hajj through this ability via gift or via endowment or via those things mentioned. لم يجب عليه ذلك. Then it is not obligatory for him to go for Hajj. Unless إلا إذا بذل له نفقته فيه أيضا. So unless if with the Hajj they gave him gift Hajj and they say, you know something, your only days of earning are these days, so we are going to give you the livelihood of your family for the entire year or parts. Whatever you will miss out, we will compensate you for it. Then it becomes wajib. Then there is nothing to stop him from going for Hajj. أيضا ولو كان له مال لا يفي بمصارف الحج. Now he has wealth, let's say $5,000. وبذل له ما يتمم ذلك. فالأظهر اعتبار الرجوع إلى الكفاية. So he had 5,000, someone completed him. More apparent to me, say this is Sistani. That means there is an apparent ruling, and more apparent is what he is choosing. So that means there's an opposite ruling which is apparent, or a different ruling which is apparent. So more apparent is that فَالْأَظْهَرُ اعْتِبَارُ الرُّجُوعِ إِلَى الْكِفَايَةِ. So he had 5,000. Then somebody gave him 5,000, 10,000. Should he go for Hajj? No, first check whether you will come back, will you have that? Because maybe that 5,000 was his 5,000 of the entire year, and you gave him other 5,000. So he can't go, but if he has something, he can live with it, savings, then he has to go for Hajj. So that's why he says, فَالْأَظْهَرْ اعْتِبَارُ رُجُوعِ إِلَى الْكِفَايَةِ.